Hello there, just got done watching the movie Wheel of Fortune. This came out in 2020. It's a comedy that is 1 hour and 46 minutes long. And it is to claim a big inheritance, a down-on-his-luck mechanic must win a series of competitions as outlined by his birth father's will. I thought it was actually okay. I'm not into racing, like vehicle racing of any kind. And this movie had a lot of vehicle racing in it. It is rated R, by the way. I don't know if I said that, but it actually turned out to be okay. It had a lot of outtakes at the end of the movie. But yeah, the story was, I don't know, kind of what you would expect. It reminded me of a few other movies that are similar to this, or is similar to the storyline in general about someone having to do something to get included in a will or get an inheritance or whatever. But yeah, I would say this would be a 3 out of 5 stars. I'll see if I can find it online. If I can, I'll link it below. If you've ever seen Wheel of Fortune, let me know what you thought of this movie. I felt like the casting was done nicely. I liked who they casted in the parts. The acting was fine. Didn't see any problems with that. Really, the only thing about the movie that just didn't really speak to me personally was the racing aspect. Because I don't know, I'm just not into vehicles enough to watch them go in a circle. But yeah, I would recommend this if you're looking for just a casual comedy. Then I would say it's worth checking out. Even if you're not into racing or cars or anything like that, because I'm not into those things and I was able to enjoy it. Lisa, how many stars out of 5 would you give it?
2.5.
And Lisa gives it a 2.5 star. But yeah, I would recommend it, and probably wouldn't watch it again, but I usually don't watch movies more than one time, and curious to know if you have ever watched a movie that has vehicle racing in as part of the storyline. Let me know, because I haven't watched a lot of movies that have that as part of the storyline, but maybe I need to start checking out more movies that have that incorporated in them. Thank you so much for watching this review, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.